Hi my Digi viewers! In this video, I'm going to show you the Miniature World Fairy Garden accessories by Tardigrade. So this has 200 pieces of different fairy garden accessories. So I will show you that this is the pot where I will put the accessories, the fairy garden accessories, and these are the plants that I will be using for the fairy garden. I'll be showing you the different accessories that we have here. We have different, oh, this one is like a table. This one, a little house. Another house. So there are 200 pieces here. So you can just imagine how your fairy garden will look like. And there are tiny pieces of accessories here. So there's really a lot of accessories that you have here. Sometimes they put it in a plastic bag and it's like a bundle. Like for instance, this elephant with a basket. And then here, this one is like, I don't know what this is, but this one is like a puppy. And then here, it's a cow with a barn. And then also a cow. And then here, this is like a mushroom with tiny porcupine. So you can just stretch your imagination on what your fairy garden will look like. See? And then there's a duck here with a fence. And then here is like a what do you call this? It's like a Japanese, you put it in a Japanese garden. And then it's like a bridge. There is also a fence. And then there is, I saw that there's one here for like a swimming pool or a pond. You can use this like a pond. There's so many things that you can see here. And you can just imagine how your fairy garden will look like. And there's even a camel. So, you know, I'm trying to expand my mind on how I will be putting this together in this pot. Because there's a lot. So probably I'm going to put some here and then put some in the other pots that I have. Okay, so I will show you this when I finish assembling my fairy garden. So I already put the plants, some of the plants here. And then look at how I set up these fairy garden. So there's more that you can imagine. But for the meantime, I will not overload my pot with all the accessories. And I put this in some of the pots that I have. I'm trying to renovate the fairy garden that I did before.